Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's your girls, Yan&Shelly,
and we're back
with another video. I hope you guys enjoy our last videos, so comment down below and tell us what's your favorite video so far. So remember to follow us on all our social. That's Shelly Lisa on Instagram and Facebook. And also go ahead and follow my business page on Instagram and Facebook at Forever Thoughts.
And follow me on Instagram at Queen Yan Brown, I think, and Yannick Brown on Facebook.
Cousins. No, I'm repping my cousin today. He recently passed away, so we went to the grave digging today. So I'm still repping him. R.I.P. cuz, gone too soon. We miss you. I've cried enough, so R.I.P. That is it.
We're doing Jamaica trivia questions, so you learn a little bit more.
Yeah. How much you know about
Jamaica, basically?
How much you know about the little island?
Yes.
Listen.
So we have 5 questions.
Listen, a long time I stopped going to school and I stopped going to school from my idea and my knee. So I don't even know.
You stopped going to school when?
My idea my knee.
When that?
I don't know about what long time ago.
If you stop going to school from your idea and knee, that means you go to school until then. That means nothing.
All of that too. Probably not even going to talk. I don't remember nothing. So I'm not even going to say I'm going to win this one, but let's see.
Me now win.
Let's get right into this. And I don't laugh, if me get an answer wrong, I don't not skin on the teeth. Right? Because I don't know either. Let's get into the video. Go and ask your first question.
Okay. So my first question to Miss Shelly. So we have 5 questions and 1 bonus question. So my question to Miss Shelly is, don't look at my book.
How much points?
It no matter what I said, read like that. What is the Jamaican national flower?
The Jamaican national flower. Flowers. Same thing. Flower. Which flower you think you want to cook with? It's not flower. It's flower. Flowers. Whatever. So I know the both of them, but I can't remember which one is a flower and which one is a tree. I think the national flower is the lignum vitae.
The flower?
Yes.
Alright. Yes.
Yeah.
So you get 1 point.
Yes, my first point. I'm on a roll. Let me just start. Okay, by question now.
Yeah, Jesus. Me didn't know.
Alright.
Okay.
If Jamaica was born in 1962, how old is Jamaica today?
So all day some of them have go calculate.
Yeah, but you're supposed to know they always celebrate it.
Ah, Jesus. Why you gonna give me that hard question then?
Because, listen, something just gone over the year.
So remember Jamaica independence amount 50 something.
You say, how old is Jamaica today?
50 something.
50 how much? You have given me exactly because Jamaica just celebrate independent last month. And it was big.
We say 62?
If Jamaica was born in 1962, how old is Jamaica today?
58.
You check it in your head.
Duh.
No.
Because I say 2, so normally 10 we have 10, you take away 8, you take away 2 from you left 8. So I say that most likely is going to be...
Okay, whatever, you get it. Bye.
I'm smart.
She thinks she's smart.
Okay, that's mine. So may I have 1 point. Let's go.
Go ahead.
Okay, yeah. Alright. What is the largest parish in Jamaica?
The parish we live in now.
Okay.
Saint Anne, baby.
Okay. Alright, 2 points for you.
Boop, boop, boop. Okay. Alright. My next question is, which parish in Jamaica is the athletic track star Usain Bolt from?
Trelawney.
Yeah. Good as. Hey.
We don't know that.
Hey. A lot of people don't. Alright, we're gonna roll. Okay, go ahead.
Yes. Alright, next question is, which national hero is on the $1,000 bill?
Me love money, I'm supposed to know this. I'm supposed to. Hey, I owe you the penny. I think. All right. The $1,000 bill.
Yeah.
Is it Alexandra?
Don't ask. You never ask me.
I think it's Alexandra. I think it's Bustamante.
Really?
I think so.
Really, girl?
Right.
It's Michael Manley.
Right. I make a man the $1,000 bill?
Yes.
You need to stop saying $1,000.
Yes.
Upgrade me to 5,000.
So she's a lose on point.
Upgrade me to 5. We will start spending $1,000 because obviously I don't even know who is on the $1,000 bill.
She love money, but she not pay attention.
You need to stop spending it.
Okay.
Right. My next question now. The team of men who play football, soccer for the Jamaican national team is called
Reggae Boys.
Yes. This is not fair.
Who said me just, man? Me pay attention, man. But not really school, man.
Alright, me know I watch up. Me know. Listen, me know when I get this.
Stop it. Not because they not get it. You know, no understand. So, okay, we get 3 points. Okay. So the next one is okay. Name the animal on the coat of arm. What animal is on the coat of arm?
What?
What animal is on the coat of arm?
The alligator.
You're even wrong. You're wrong.
The crocodile.
You're wrong. You said
same thing.
No, sweetie.
What alligator, crocodile, whatever.
No.
What
crocodile and alligator are 2 different things.
Well, listen to me. In Jamaica, we call him one name.
But you know what?
But in Jamaica, no. Full point.
You get half points.
Full.
Half.
In Jamaica, we call him one thing. We call him. You know the difference? What's the difference between a crocodile?
One of them have a juke on their back.
What's the difference between an alligator and a crocodile?
One of them have the juke on their back.
So tell me, crocodile have on their back at all?
One of them, me don't know which one have it or which one have it, but me know
okay, you don't know the difference. Listen,
yeah,
give me my 1 point. I'm
it
done.
Don't matter.
Give me my 1 point.
One has the thing on their back and one doesn't.
I'm done.
Half point you get. Give me my question. Come on, you want me to
lose?
No. You're not getting your point, sweetie. Bye.
Okay. A major agricultural crop grown in Jamaica is which of the following?
Wait. You see, this is not a trivia question, you know. Because you realize our question they add
to produce. You don't know what Jamaica major really? You
don't know? Okay, what Jamaica produce more than anything? Coffee.
What coffee?
Rum.
What rum?
What?
Rum, but what come from rum? What oil make rum?
Cane.
Okay, and what come from cane?
I mean what come from cane?
Okay, you get it wrong. No points, but I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell you the answer.
I'm
going to tell you the answer. Sugar. Why? So we're both even.
What is the meaning of Ocho-Race?
8 rivers. Who don't know that?
Trivia question them. See?
Who know that?
Okay. So you have one.
Alright. I'm going to ask one easy one. Edward Seaga, PJ Patterson, Portia Simpson, and Bruce Golden at one point was Jamaica.
PMP. Prime Minister. Prime Minister.
The first answer. No. Remember my alligator?
No. Listen.
Half points. I'm done.
Listen.
Half points. I'm done.
But stop. You don't essentially, sir, because most majority of them is not PMP. Most of them, some of them is JLP and some of them PMP.
And you say PMP.
Maybe just think when we hear Portia, if it's going PMP, so me think.
I see I got Mr. First.
You know when they think out loud.
I see I got JP. Half points. When I said alligator, and you gave me half points because I did not say crocodile, and I said to that, and I said crocodile after.
You stick to that.
You said I said alligator and I said listen, half points. We don't talk to you. said PMP.
You
first.
Stick to the
listen.
Alright.
Listen.
Half point, that's according to you.
Half point, because she said PMP, which I never know said PMP.
Your next question is
PMP here.
This one goes to
not even PNP, no PMP. Go on.
PMP. The question I'm going to ask, because you say Jamaica get independence in 1962, right?
Yes.
But when we Google it, it's in 1952.
That's not true. Where you get 1952 I've never heard that Jamaica
from Google.
I have never heard that Jamaica get independence in 1952.
From Google.
Who school I go? I must Jamal.
And that is tell me from Google,
Yeah, Google need to go school back. You can Google Jamal?
Go up on Google and Google it.
I have to Google it. It's 1962 Jamaica gained independence.
So why Google say 52? I know say August is 6. But then when she's asked me 62, I'm saying no, I'm going to Google and tell me 52.
You 54, mommy, your next one too.
58.
But okay, they're saying from the, see, it is 1962, so I don't know what's that, the blur.
Okay then, okay.
Look.
We're going.
Where I'm going to tiny video.
Guys, look who made an appearance.
So she won't come join the video.
Look who made an appearance.
Leah.
Leah is here with us today.
Can't do no video without Leah to box cover.
So, me tell you, so we can't.
We almost finished anyways. So, this is the last question for me.
Leah make an appearance. Say hi to Leah. Say hi, Lily. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah. So how are you today? Tell the gangs how are you today.
And thank you, and how are you?
So comment below and tell Leah how are you today. Right? Okay, so we're gonna continue with our question. What do you know about Jamaica? What do you know about Jamaica? Tell us something about Jamaica.
We call me and Auntie Shana, me and my friend at school call her Jamaicans.
Okay, so what do you call
No, what's the color of the Jamaican flag?
It's black and more black and yellows and green.
Yeah! Awesome! Good job! Give sister high five for that. Oh my! She's bowing. High five.
Yeah, Dab?
Like this.
Okay.
Okay, come sit down.
Come sit now. If you're gonna come, high five. Good job.
Damn!
Wow. What else do you know about
Oh,
Jamaica?
it's that'd be nice.
What else do you know about Jamaica?
Huh?
What else do you know about Jamaica?
One more thing, one more people tell you that's it. Nothing else from you, okay? Count from 1 to 10 in Spanish.
Count from 1 to 10 in Spanish for them.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And
One more.
Okay.
No, what you missed one.
what's number 10?
The number 10 is not even.
Yes.
This is 10.
What is the green in the Jamaica?
The green in the Jamaica flag stands for basically the I know this.
So I have to still have answer, Jesus.
Because I want to construct it properly. I want to say it, elegant and everything. I know this answer.
Okay, ma'am. Just say it.
Is the greening of the
Oh my God, try to say it.
basically the greening stand for the
My Jesus! Jamaica, what is it? Oh,
I don't know how to put it. I know what it means, but I can't get it out.
Half points.
No half points. It's a stop. Don't do that. Listen, I know what it is. You ever have an answer in your head, you know the answer, but you can't get it out to explain it.
Okay, I give 5
it's
seconds.
basically not 5 seconds. Stop. It is I don't know, the lusciousness of the
Luscious?
the forests and the trees and that's basically what the greenery
Yeah,
is.
that's all I even say. It's the greenery.
Yes, the greenery.
That took us a minute.
My question. I'm gonna make you sweat. I'm gonna make her sweat. The question is, Jamaica was the first country in the Western world to construct a railway even before the United States. True or false? True or false?
You believe that?
Ask if me believe true or false.
True.
You just randomly guess that and get it right.
Okay, what is the largest mountain in the world?
The
Everybody's-
largest mountain in the world.
The tallest, I should say. Tallest mountain.
The tallest mountain.
You're supposed to know this, huh?
Is it
Everybody's
what
supposed
the
to
hell
know
is that
this.
mountain?
I know what it is.
I know what it is, but I don't remember the mountain name. I told him till I say I stopped going to school from my head and my knee. I don't remember this. I know it in the back of my head, but can it get out? I don't know. What the hell is it? Is it
Okay, you can
Mount Everest?
Yes.
Yeah, I tell you, say in my back of my head now and it come out. Me tell you in my back of my head. Hey, don't play with me now.
Just
Don't
ask
play
me a
with
question so we can get tired again.
Don't play with me. I was a bright girl, you know. I was a
Okay,
bright girl.
last question, please.
Alright, since you go out and not ask something about Jamaica, let me go ahead and ask
Just
something
ask one
out of
random
the sea.
question.
Okay,
What are the sea?
out of like Jamaica. Name a continent.
A continent like what?
Like a continent.
Like what? Asia.
Yes. Try again.
This girl right here is smart.
So we're gonna keep on tying, or we're just gonna say, okay, then that's a tie and that's it.
So this we call it a tie.
Because we're gonna keep on going. I'm
And
gonna say
going.
one, I'm gonna
And
wait.
the
She's gonna say
winner is
both of us.
Lisa and me and Yanni.
Not.
Okay, that's it for today.
Okay.
So
Bye bye.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video of our trivia question. I think you're supposed to know. And that we should not name it question. I think you should not supposed to know. So thank you guys for watching.
Before you eat.
Yes, earlier said good. Wash your hands. Remember COVID. Please wash your hands. Sanitize. Wear a mask. Show them. Show them how to wash your hands. To wash your hands. Show them.
Okay, those you forget soap, please. You forget
Yeah.
soap first, and then water, and then scrub your hands, and then water it.
Yes.
And I'll dry it up, and your hands is clean.
Yes, and you wear
So
your
I wash my hands.
mask.
That's already.
Yes, and wash your hands as Leah instructed, and use your hand sanitizer. And guys, please keep safe.
So thank you guys
Thanks
for
for
watching.
watching.
Don't forget to like,
comment,
and
and
subscribe.
Turn on that post notification button so you get notified whenever we post.
Thank you guys for watching. See you later.
Yes.